Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy pump token, pump fund, and also the price prediction. So first, you can open your Binance app and don't forget to sign in. After that, you can go to your search box here at the top. Then you can search for pump. You will find pump here, but if you don't, you can just click search and then you can click future here. I mean alpha, and click pump. And then this is the chart. Before I show you how to buy it, I will talk about the price prediction. So from this chart, it's not really bad, I guess, because it's still in a bullish trend. If we see the 1 hour time frame here, it's still bullish, I think. So in the long term, I think it will, reach $0.01. So yeah, I think in a couple of days, maybe, or weeks, it will reach $0.01. So if you want to buy it, yeah, you can do it, but you have to understand the risk. It's very risky as it's still a new token. And if you want to see the details about the token, you can click info here at the top. You will find the 24-hour high, low, and the volume, and also the social media. You can check it. And also you can see the audit here. The audit is good. And if you want to buy it, you can just simply click trade here at the bottom, and then you can swipe your USDT to pump or another token. It's up to you. Or you can click choose limit order here. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.